In a momentous event at Baljek in Jengjal, West Garo Hills, the President of India, Droupadi Murmu, commended Meghalaya'S efforts in empowering women through self-help groups, SHGs, addressing a diverse audience including the Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, Chief Minister Conrad K, Sangma, and other dignitaries. Highlighting the transformation, the President praised the state government's commitment to promoting women-led SHGs, emphasizing that women are integral to India's growth across various sectors. She stressed the importance of empowering women socially, economically, politically, and spiritually for India to achieve its vision of becoming a developed nation by 2047. Acknowledging the strides made by Indian women in defense, science, sports, education, entrepreneurship, and agriculture, the President emphasized the need for freedom of choice and economic independence.
Our second Applauds. And finally, we have Srimati Tinamani Amara, a business correspondent who is an SHG member.
I have witnessed the same confidence and energy among all women present here today. I would like to compliment Srimati Baljek, a resident of Umpen village, who has done an exemplary work in adoption and promotion of natural farming practices. The Droupadi initiatives aim to transform the rural economy and improve quality of life of rural people by promoting women entrepreneurship. I am happy to know that National Rural Livelihood Mission is bringing about a positive change in the lives of members of SHGs, their families, and the rural areas as a whole. The Nari Government Act has provisions to reserve 160 seats for women in the Lok Sabha and legislative assemblies. However, there is still a long way to go in the direction of women empowerment. Sometimes, women struggle to find their rightful place in their own family. It is high time that people start recognizing the value and qualities of women around them and support them. एक दिन था, महिलाओं को किसी भी मीटिंग में देखने को नहीं मिला। मुझे बताया गया है, मुझे चीफ मिनिस्टर ने एक दिन मुझे बता रहे थे, ये जो मेघालय महिलाओं को ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दिया जाता है। यहाँ शादी में भी दामाद अपने पत्नी के घर में जाते हैं, वहां रहते हैं, वहां और बेटियों को ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दिया जाता है। ये बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है। यहाँ महिलाओं को लेकर हम सब जानते हैं, हम सब चलने के लिए हम भगवान ने दो पाँव दिए, दो हाथ दिए, क्योंकि आसानी से और जल्दी से हम आगे बढ़ सकें। ऐसे ही दुनिया में भगवान ने दो अलग-अलग जीव को भेजे, एक महिला, एक पुरुष, क्योंकि आसानी से सामाजिक, आर्थिक जो भी सुविधाएं और विकास कर सके, आगे बढ़ सके, मिलजुल के काम कर सके। तो सोचिए तो एक अकेला पुरुष या एक अकेला महिला, जैसे कि एक बहन ने अपने जो बात यहाँ बोल रही थी, बोले कि मैं एक अकेला कमाने वाली थी। तो फिर भी जो सहयोग आ गया गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, सुविधा बनाया गया बैंक तरफ से, तो आसानी से अपने आर्थिक अवस्था को सुधार
Following her address, the President engaged with women from SHGs, spending nearly 30 minutes interacting with them and exploring stalls showcasing products from the region. The President handed over a community investment fund of Rs 25 crores benefiting village organizations. In a move to facilitate credit access for women entrepreneurs, the state government formalized 200 women's cluster-level organizations as credit cooperative societies, aiming to provide banking services in remote areas and enhance financial literacy among women. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan hailed the Indian President's visit as historic, highlighting her inspiration to women nationwide and in tribal communities. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma emphasized Meghalaya's matrilineal society and the significant contributions of women to economic growth. He underscored the government's focus on women's welfare with specific policies and schemes, including reserving seats and the post of Secretary for Women in Village Employment Councils. Detailing efforts in the last 5 years to promote SHGs, the Chief Minister mentioned support through the National Rural Livelihoods Mission, impacting thousands of households.
And it gives me an emotional feeling today to see that his dream, after a decade of him contesting the election in 2012, that this dream that he had has today been fulfilled by you, madam, and that you are present here today in our state, and therefore this visit of yours is even more special to all of us. So once again, I thank you for taking your time and coming here to be part of this program. This program is even more special for us because today we have asked our different self-help groups, and almost all of them are women self-help groups. As our Honorable Minister was mentioning just a few minutes back, that we had less than 4,600 groups when we had taken over the government in 2018. But in a matter of 5 years to 6 years, we have been able to raise this number of groups from a mere 4,600 to touching almost 45,000 groups today. Almost one woman from every rural household is today part of some self-help group or the other. And the reason why this is very important for us is our government has always seen development and work and approached it in a much more holistic manner. For us, we don't believe in scheme-based development. We believe in stakeholder-based approach. We believe in ensuring that there is a purpose-driven approach.